In this video tutorial, we'll walk you through how to check your Google Drive storage quota, what happens when you reach your limit, and how to locate and remove large files to free up space, reducing your carbon footprint. First, a few things to know. Google Storage is a shared and finite resource available to all Gustavus students and employees. To help manage this fairly, user quotas are in place. Individual accounts have a 30 gigabyte storage quota. Google Shared Drives can be created and managed separately and have their own 10 gigabyte quota. Your quota includes data from Google Mail and My Drive. Files in shared drives do not count towards your personal quota. If you're nearing your limit, consider moving collaborative data into a shared drive to help stay within your quota. Let's walk through a step-by-step on how to check your quota and free up space. Open Google Drive in your browser. You can access it via the Google Apps button in your Gustavus email or by navigating to drive.google.com and logging in with your Gustavus credentials if prompted. Check your storage. Scroll to the bottom left corner of the Drive window to view your current storage usage. If you're near your limit, Google will show a warning if you're approaching or have exceeded your quota. You may experience errors when trying to create or upload new files. View large files. Click on Storage or Manage Storage if you're nearing your quota. Google Drive will list your largest files first, making it easy to see what's taking up space. Delete any unnecessary files by right-clicking on any file and selecting Move to Trash. Confirm the deletion, and remember, only delete files you're sure you no longer need. Be cautious with the trash. Deleted files go to your trash, where they'll stay for 30 days before being automatically removed. Do not empty your trash unless you're confident you don't need the files again. A few final tips. Don't panic if you run out of space. Review your files carefully and delete only what's necessary. Consider shared drives for storing team or department content, as these have their own quotas. If you should have any questions or need more storage, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu.